Hi everyone, I am here with another video on array problems. So this is a simple problem. The problem is like checking whether the given array contains duplicates or not. The program should print true if the array contains duplicates. If the array does not contain duplicates, the program must print false. So that is the program. So here this can be done using four different methods in Python. I will explain one after the other. So first let me consider method 1. This method 1 is the conventional approach. The idea here is I will be taking a nested for statement. So if we would like to check whether the first element is repeated in the array or not, when I am considering first element, I will consider the remaining part of the array to check whether it is there in the remaining part or not. For that I will be considering J loop. For checking each and every element I will be considering I loop. So let us consider that one. So first I will be considering one array A. A is like 3, 8, 9, 4, 6. This does not contain any duplicates. Okay. Next I will be taking one variable by name contains duplicates. It is like a flag variable. Initially I will assume it is false. So initially I assume there are no duplicates. Then we will check this by a nested for statement for I in range len of a minus 1. Why I am considering minus 1 here, len of a minus 1 here is I will be considering j loop which ranges from I plus 1 to len of a. For j in range I plus 1 comma len of a. That means if I am checking one element, I will be considering the remaining part of the array from that element onwards and check whether that element is repeated or not. If it is repeated, that is a duplicate element, then we will state that and we will exit from the program. Then if a of I is equal to a of j, what does this mean? There is a duplicate element. Then set this contains duplicate to true. Then break. Now print whatever is there in this contains duplicate. Okay, so let us run this code and see what will be printed. So false. What does this mean? There are no duplicates. The array does not contain duplicates. Let me change this code a bit. Let me repeat this 9. We must get true. Yes. Why? Because there is a duplicate element. Okay. This is method 1 and this is the conventional approach like our C code. Next I will be taking method 2. This I will do with the help of list slicing. So I will be containing the same array A and I will contain this, I will consider this contains duplicate equal to false as it is. Then I will be considering the for statement for I in range len of A. I need not even consider len of A for, so no nested loop is required here. If s of I, s or a of I in a of I plus 1, then contains duplicate equal to true, then break. Next, print whatever is there in contains duplicate. Okay, now let me remove all these things. Let me run this code. So this is using list slicing. Okay, now let me run this code. The answer is true. Why? Because 9 is repeated. 9 is the duplicate. So what is the logic here? For I in range len of A, if A of I in remaining portion of the array, that means A of I plus 1 and so on, make contains duplicate equal to true. Then break. That's all. So this is with the help of list slicing. Both the approaches, method 1 and method 2, will take big O of n square time complexity. Now let us focus on efficient methods to do this one. So in Python, we can take the help of set to do that one. Let me just take this one. So I will take method 3. Here, what I will do is, if len of A equal to, if len of A equal to, if it is equal to, then there is no duplicate. Already we have set contains duplicate equal to false. If len of A not equal to len of set of A. What is the meaning of this statement? If length of this given list and if that list is converted to set using the method set of A, and if that length is not equal to len of A, then what does that mean? If they are of different lengths, then definitely there exist some duplicate elements. Then make this contains duplicates equal to true. Okay, then print contains duplicates. Okay, so let me run this one. What is the answer? True. So what does this true mean? There are duplicates. Okay, this is method 3 and this is using the set function. So the time complexity of this is big O of n. Okay, then so instead of doing all these things, we can write one liner solution for this. So it is like, we need not use all these things. We can simply write like print len of A not equal to len of set of A. So if there are duplicates, it will print true, otherwise false. So for this case, it must print true. Yes, perfect. So let me try with another case. There are no duplicates, we must get false here. Yes, so this is using method 3. The time complexity of this method is big O of n. Next, let me work out on method 4. Method 4, for this one I need the help of this variable contains duplicates equal to false. This method 4 is based on dictionary. So initially I will assume I will create a dictionary D, then for I in A, that means for each and every element in A, if I in D, if that I is already there in dictionary, that means it is a duplicate. Then make contains duplicates equal to true and then break. Else make this d of I equal to 1. If it is for the first time, make its value to 1. If it is for second time, it is clearly shown that the duplicates are there. Then make the contains duplicate equal to true and break. This is the logic. This is with the help of dictionary. Okay. So now print contains duplicate. Whatever the value is there in contains duplicate, that will be printed. Let us do this one. Any problem here? Contains duplicate. Duplicates, yeah, it is duplicates. Let me run this. False. So there are no duplicates in this one, that's why we are getting false. Suppose let me add one extra 4 here. We must get true. Yes, we got true. So this is how we can do with the help of dictionary method. Then, which is efficient one. So we considered 4 methods. The first one is a conventional approach using nested for loop. Second one is using list slicing. Third one is using set method or set function. Fourth one is using dictionaries. Okay, so the first method consumes big O of n square. Big O of n square. The second method also takes big O of n square time complexity. The third one and fourth one, they consume big O of n time complexity. Though this dictionary method takes big O of n time complexity in worst case, it is much better than set method also. Okay, so out of these 4 approaches, which is the best option? Using dictionary. Okay, I hope you understood the logic here presented here, and if you liked the content, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.